Hey YouTube, someone asked me about this Strawberry by Doss. G sharp to C minor. Yeah, the G sharp is the major. And then the little keyboard is playing. This is that little home box shape. This would be E flat. So you got 11, 13, 11, 13 on the B, and 12 on the G. Makes it like a shape that's like it's like a rectangle with a triangle on top, or you could think, I just think of it as the home base shape. Yeah, and so I'm just going 11, 13 on the B, do that twice, 2 times. Then go to 11 on the high E. And then you alternate that by doing the same thing on the B. And then you go to 13 on the E. And you just alternate those two riffs. It kind of, the chord progression is just 2 chords. G sharp, or you could call it A flat, and C minor. But it's kind of implied is E flat. Alright, thanks for that request. Have fun playing it. Bye.